portion of this breaker. Oh, that shit is so close. Whoa, we didn't film me on Apex. What the fuck?
Where's my PP again? You targeting that newly opening gap? Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully we leave this low untouched at 1043. Give us some bullish SMT. We just have the BPR to the tick. 1 minute. Tag the midpoint of that shit to the T.
It really shouldn't go below that low. 43.
Yeah, that's really what I'm thinking. We just put in that nice bullish SMT. I just don't like this bearish gap. BSN already touched it. We gotta inverse that.
I like these candle closes, I will say. Respecting the breaker block pretty nicely.
Yeah. Like these
Instead of
wicks.
just jumping from there.
What y'all think? If we like take I was really thinking if we inverse this gap, but if we take that high at 1048, I think I'm gonna move my stop to that low at 1043. Because that created the bullish SMT for us. You know?
I like it. I like it.
Yeah. It's really taking off a pretty good risk. So 47.75.
This really makes a lot of sense right here. Just the setup in general, like kind of how it manipulated in the 15-minute displaced higher continuation. I don't know. Makes sense to me.
I don't like that at all. How we just trading
Good win,
like
bro.
nothing. We also tagged 50%. Is your breaker from like those three candles at 1025 all the way to 1026?
My breaker for this setup is the 1029. Oh, it could.
Because I've been
I see what
fibbing
you're
that.
talking about.
Yeah, because if you look
I
at
see what
the low at 1051, we tagged 50% to the T. So I'm really contemplating moving my stop right now. I just want to give this a chance to take that high.
Oh, I'm not moving my stop yet, but I do see what you're talking about. The breaker.
And we need to take this high right now.
We're not really asking for much on this setup, though. Only 40 handles about. 41 handles. Nice little 2-to-1.
Yeah. I mean, my TP is about $400. We're 427. I went 5 MEQ.
I went 6, so mine's 530. I went 200 on the back
moving my
Already
stop.
50 school points. It takes this high. There we go. Just to stop a little bit.
Yeah, I really don't see any reason for it to come even below that low at 1051, honestly. Just because we tagged the midpoint of that breaker to the T along with the volume imbalance. Yeah, it's also taking this short-term high too, so we don't have no bearish SMT.
We'll need about 10 more points.
Yep.
Only need about 10 more points.
If ES touches 75% of this daily gap though, before we touch that, I'm gonna get out. Just because that's the only point of liquidity or point period that I can see where it would turn on.
Let me know, Wes.
I got you. I really want to see a gap form right here too.
If we get a gap break, I really like that.
Yeah, we got this.
Fucking fail, Eric. Go ahead and catch me out. Please. Catch me out. Catch me out. Catch me out.
Form the gap.
Getting that gap. I touch. Time to touch and go.
That shit gotta go.
Touch and go. Touch and go. This always the worst part about the trade.
Facts when it's like right there, bro.
Yeah, because the amount of times I've had it be right there and, didn't go right there, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, for real, bro.
It's making like a crash. I think I'm gonna go break even up because I'm definitely not giving away anything on this.
So that's really what I'm thinking too. If we take that high at 1056, well, it ain't a high yet, but if we push above that and get a nice close, I mean, I might go break even. I don't think we should trade lower than realistically 1051. This shit gonna piss me off.
It's Thursday. Oh. I know if I just take my 30 points, it's gonna go and take my 40 points as soon as I get out the trade.
Body tap this 2 minute.
This actually grinds my gears, nigga. No way it doesn't deliver to this new week opening gap at the minimum. At the minimum, bro.
I mean, we barely held that fucking gap. Holy shit.
Don't tease me, bro.
The close was 85. Yeah, we barely held that gap. Same with ES. We barely held this gap.
Asking for too much. What the fuck, dude? Give it a chance. Give it a chance.
Yeah, I really want to go break even. I'm not fucking with that shit. We feel this 2 minute gap.
But I really need this to hit because this takes away about 380 of my drawdown. Plus, if it gets plus the 172 I'd be getting stopped out for.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to break even right here.
I took my 30 points, bro. This shit playing with me. And I was definitely gonna go to price target just because I took the prefer early. I'm gonna see it through for either the small loss or a full TP. It irks me. Bro, come on, bro. Don't do this, bro. Don't do this. I hate this shit, bro. Like, this shit actually the worst.
On me, bro. We just putting that small ass gap. We gotta inverse that shit, bro. Get that shit out of here, bro. Thank God. All right, we close back right back above the midpoint.
Do it right here.
Nah, for real. I feel so much more comfortable about my break even if we took that high at 1057. We got it,
I
bro.
would be inclined to break.
Might fuck around, put a BPR right here. Small as BPR. I need this shit to get away. I need it to get away from that though. That midpoint. Damn.
What are we doing? Get this shit out of my face, bro. Alright, though, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Alright, gang.
Well, that shit, bro. I gotta see this shit through. I got to.
Only 40 candles, bro. I ain't taking nothing much.
I mean, like my stop was. What was our stop below 1038?
Yeah, 1038 count.
Yeah, so I guarded target about 42 points. Anyway. 22.50. So 42 points.
Fucking dumbass did not take this on my other two accounts, bro. Holy shit. Your copy trader wasn't on? I haven't been using my copy trader for a minute. Just cause like, I don't know, I just wasn't using it because I didn't have as many accounts as I used to. So I completely forgot to execute on my Lucid, bro.
I feel like if we can get a nice close outside this 1 minute gap, I feel like this shit gonna just run straight to TP. But ES ain't looking too bright, boy, at all. I stopped sitting at entry gap.
If it takes this 1056 high, I'll go break even. But if it don't, I'm hanging on to the what's that 15 points that I'm risking.
Yeah, we closed right below the midpoint of this 1 minute gap. We holding.
We're doing a flagging, Wes.
Yeah, no.
Bull flag.
Yeah. I just need this shit to chill, honestly.
The way it looking low, though, it just looks like it could like just drop.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I'm not even really willing to risk that. But we closed outside this breaker on my end at 1053. That low at 1054, tapped into it, and then we created a gap off that. That's why I'm fine with my break even right now. Because it's like literally like points below that. All right, we're very close.
There. Do it this candle right here.
Yeah, break even for sure.
Almost there, baby. Almost there. What was you talking about?
Yeah, right there.
Talking about, nigga.